One day, the son goes to his father and says, "Father, what is the value of my life?" His father gave him a stone and said, "Son, if you want to know the value of your life, take this stone to the market. If someone asks for a price, you can say nothing and just raise two fingers." The boy did as his father told him and went off to the marketplace. Suddenly, an old woman appeared and asked him how much the stone is. The boy says nothing and just raises his two fingers. The woman says, "Oh, is it $2? I will take it." The son is shocked and runs back to his father and said, "Father, there was an old woman in the market. She wanted to give me $2 for this stone." Dad says, "Son, the next place I want you to go is the museum, and if anyone asks for a price, say nothing and just raise two fingers." The son picks up the stone and goes to the museum. After a while, there was a middle-aged man who asked the boy, "How much does the stone cost?" The boy says nothing and just raises his two fingers. The man says, "Oh, is it $200? I will take it." The boy was again shocked and runs home to his father and said, "Father, a man in the museum wanted to buy the stone for $200. The father replied to his son, "Son, lastly, I want you to take the stone to a jewelry store. Go inside the store, and if anyone asks for a price, say nothing and just raise two fingers." Then the son runs to a jewelry store. After finding it, he went inside, and there was an old man at the counter. And as the old man sees the stone, he bounds and shouts, "Oh my lord, he has a stone that I have been looking all my life." The old man asked in excitement, "What do you want in exchange of the stone? How much does it cost?" The boy says nothing and raises his two fingers. And the old man says, "Oh, is it $2,000? I will take it." The boy can't believe and he rushed to his father and said, "Father, an old man at a jewelry store wanted to give me $2,000 for this stone." And the father said to his son, "Son, do you learn now the value of your life? Life is all about where you put yourself. You can choose if you want to be a $2 stone or a $2,000 stone." Friends, in today's life, we see that some people will love you and you are everything to them, and other people will just use you as an asset to them, and you will be no longer be anything to them. It is up to us to determine the value of our life. The world is all about your place in people's heart. If you want to put yourself in a good place, people will love you. And if you decide to put yourself in a wrong place at a wrong time, people will hate you. Hence, it is up to us to determine the value of our life by choosing where we put ourselves.